Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
You seriously drank my blood? Revolting! If I can't have yours, you certainly can't have mine! You're really a devil!
Run, you idiot! This asshole's hungry! The kind that'll slice into your gut, so I can touch me some food!